How to fix Instagram can't share post on story on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First go to settings, scroll all the way down until you find here apps, then click apps again. Now type here Instagram, click on it, click for stop, go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now if that doesn't fix your problem, go back, restart your phone and try again, and go to Play Store, make sure your Instagram is updated, just see if there's an update here, and that's it. Then turn off your Wi-Fi, open Instagram and turn it on again. Now if that also doesn't fix it, now it means that you need to uninstall your Instagram and to install it again. And that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.